Take a few moments to offer your thanks to the nourishment the natural world provides, the food that sustains you, the water that refreshes you, the air that fills your lungs and keeps you alive, all of it given freely, continuously, lovingly. Take a deep breath and notice the beauty that surrounds you. Breathe in appreciation. Breathe out thankfulness. In our busy lives, we can easily forget how deeply we are connected to the earth. Nature is our greatest teacher. Let it remind you of balance, resilience, and renewal.